Some people say that building the Egyptian pyramids or the Great Wall of China were projects. But modern project management began with the Manhattan Project or development of the atomic bomb. The project took about 3 years and cost almost $2 billion in 1946 and had a separate project manager and a technical manager. Gantt charts were first used in 1917 and network diagrams were used in 1958. Projects are complex and often involve the use of new technologies, and there are always changing requirements. Organizations are always struggling to find better ways to manage projects. Hi, my name is Anil Jaisingh. I'm a certified Scrum trainer from Scrum Alliance, Agile coach, and an adjunct faculty at NYU's graduate program of project management. Let's dive deeper into projects, project management, program management, and the role of a project manager. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. In addition to being a temporary and unique, other attributes of the projects are that they drive change and enable value creation. They're developed using progressive elaboration, requires people from various areas, should have a primary customer or sponsor, and involves uncertainty. Projects are different than day-to-day activities, primarily because they have focused goals and definite beginning and ending dates. Besides the triple constraint in managing scope, time, and cost goals, other factors that affect a project include quality, risk, people, communications, and stakeholders. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities in order to meet project requirements. The project management framework graphically shows the process of beginning with stakeholder needs and expectations, applying the 9 project management knowledge areas and various tools and techniques to lead to project success, and then enterprise success. For example, if a project were to implement an ERP system for a large company, the stakeholders would include managers and users from different departments: finance, manufacturing, human resources, IT, legal, compliance, etc. All 9 knowledge areas would be important. Project success might be based on implementing key functions by a certain time for a certain cost, or having the new system pay for itself within a certain time period. Well, a program is a group of related projects, subsidiary programs, and program activities, managed in a coordinated manner to obtain benefits and control not available from managing them individually. Project portfolio management focuses on managing project as is the portfolio of investments that contribute to the entire enterprise's success. Projects are part of programs which are part of organizational portfolios. Different project management software can assist in developing schedules, communicating information, tracking progress. Low-end tools are the least expensive and several are available as apps. Mid-range tools can usually create Gantt charts, perform critical path analysis. High-end tools often perform portfolio management, program management, and can be used across a very large organization. The project manager is ultimately responsible for project success. They need strong leadership skills, organizational skills, technical skills, and many soft skills. IT project managers require the same skills as a general project manager, but they should also know something about the technology used for the project and the types of people who work on information technology projects. Leading by example is the most important trait of effective project managers. The job market for information technology managers continues to remain strong, especially for those with strong business and leadership skills. Ethical decisions that project managers often face include working on projects that you personally do not believe in, such as military projects, projects for different political parties, being asked to hire a friend or relative who's not as qualified as someone else, being offered bribes. It is difficult to work in an ethical manner, even with a professional code of ethics. If you like to share your experience to manage projects, programs, or portfolios, feel free to write your comments in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and also subscribe. See you next time.